In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the best voice changer for Discord. So what you'll have to do is simply go and open any tab in any browser that you have and simply look for Clownfish voice changer. Once you do so, you'd find an example, the first option. So make sure to go and click on that. Once you find that example, you find the download now option. Just go and click on it. And here you'll have to choose the version that suits your PC or your Windows. So as an example, for me as an example, I do have this. So I'm just going to install this. For an example, yeah, this one works as well. So here I'm just going to click on download. And again, I'm looking for this. So I'm just going to click on it. And as you can see, once it is downloaded, I'll have just click on save to download. And once it is downloaded, you can either, as an example, just go and double click on it or click in here. Then you can simply double click on it again. For me, I'm just going to do it from here. So we're going to click on yes. And as an example here, we're going to click on next. As you can see, you can create your desktop shortcuts and start menu shortcuts. If you don't want to create any of those, you can just go and turn them off. So it's totally up to you. I'm just going to keep them both, next again, and it will start downloading. So once it is downloaded, I'm just going to click on install. And so my voice here went out because I was downloading the application. So my audio stopped for a little bit because like I was installing this Clownfish. So basically all you need to do, just go and wait for it until it's finished. Then you'll have to click on finish. Once it is finished, as example, you'll be able to start using it very fast. How to use it now is simply go and open Clownfish.
And as you can see, my sound has changed. So now you can click an example on this option like this
and click on turn on. As you can see, it is turned off at the moment. And of course, if you want to install it on any other microphone, you can go and right click on it, setup, system integration, and you'll be able to install it to any other microphone that you want. For me, as an example, I do have it on this microphone and I'll be able to remove it whenever I want. So I can just go and click on remove, then yes. And of course, if I want to turn it on again, I'll be able to turn it on to this specific mic. One last test that I will show you.
Here is my sound at the moment, so I'm just going to turn it off.
And of course, other than that, what you can do is simply go and click on set voice changer. And here you'll be able to change the voice to whatever you want other than this baby pitch. You have alien, Atari, clone, mutation, fast mutation, and a lot of other options. And of course, what you'll have to do or make sure of is simply go into your Discord settings and simply you'll have to go and look for voice settings and voice and video. Make sure that your microphone, as example, is the same microphone that you have this installed into. So here's an example. My voice went down because of Discord, but for you, you'll have to choose just the same microphone that you have in the voice changer, and you should be good to go.